Well, one of the fastest growing occupations in the U.S. is medical assisting. This week, Central Lakes College took part in a national celebration to recognize medical assistants. Medical assistants work as members of a healthcare delivery team. They perform administrative and clinical procedures. Hannah Tran has more on that in this week's Golden Apple.
With a prod of a finger, a passionate interest is practiced. These are students at Central Lakes College in Staples, yearning to become medical assistants.
I love it. I love the body, the structure, how everything works together, and yeah.
They've come to class for different reasons. Some have had a liking for the profession throughout their lives.
I realized when I was I'd say 14, 15, I was volunteering at a nursing home.
While others had a life-changing event that determined the course of their purpose.
My dad is also terminally ill, and seeing him and how patient care professionals made me wanted to contribute.
Whatever the reason, medical assistants nationwide are being thanked for their service this week. Every third week in October is Medical Assistants Recognition Week.
Just a way to recognize the occupation and the awesome job that medical assistants provide.
Today was a hands-on day for students. They're getting ready to perform hearing and eye exams for kids next week.
PECFD.
They're even puncturing one another to get samples of blood to test, a procedure often done in their field.
And the students also work in the lab area, drawing blood. My students have been practicing venipunctures.
A large part of the hands-on work within this classroom is learning how to draw blood. Like anything, practice makes perfect.
Medical assistants are cross-trained. When they go through their training, they can work in a variety of areas. Yeah. And then slide that over.
That's one of the reasons instructor Don Michael points to explain the growing tide of medical assistants. The U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics reports the field to be one of the fastest growing occupations.
There is a demand, and I think just the knowledge that medical assistants can provide care in so many different areas has been very helpful.
But that's not a surprise to these students.
Because the medical field will always be there.
The unique versatility in this career makes some experts say it's one of the top choices for health professions in the decade and beyond. Hannah Tran, Lakeland News.
Students also plan special events on the Staples campus this week. Funds will go towards a field trip to the Mayo Clinic in Rochester.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.